This is a first quarter data entry how-to video. To begin, log into our website with your ID and password. To create a tax return, under the first quarter, click on Create Tax Return. Enter in the customer's social security number, name, date of birth, address, phone number, driver's license information, and email address. On the next page, select the correct filing status: single, married filing joint, head of household, or married filing separate. Please note, to file head of household, all three must apply. To add a dependent to the tax return, click on Add Dependent. Enter the dependent's social security number, name, date of birth, age, relationship to your customer, select whether the dependent is a student, disabled, or neither, the amount of months in the home, and the amount that was paid for daycare, if applicable. If there are no other dependents on the tax return, select Next. Otherwise, click on Add Dependent. To add a W-2, click on Add W-2. Enter the Employee Identification Number, or EIN. Box 1, Wages, Tips, and Compensation, and Box 2, Federal Income Tax Withheld. To add another W-2, click on Add W-2. Otherwise, click on Next. If prompted, answer the Dependent Information Questionnaire. You may select your answers from the drop-down or key in your own response. To enter any additional income that is not disclosed on a W-2, use this screen. If the customer is self-employed or an independent contractor, select the blue link for 1099 self-employed individuals and follow the given prompts. If the customer owns a home and would like to use their mortgage interests and property taxes paid as a deduction, use the itemized deduction fields. On the next page, you may enter any student loan interest paid. Also, you may enter any college tuition and expenses paid in the most recent tax year. Please note that a Form 1098-T is required. To continue, you must answer the Affordable Care Act health coverage question. If the customer would like to have their state tax return filed along with their federal return, indicate it here on this page. On this screen, select from the two delivery options and whether the customer would like to apply for any of our Refund Advance products. When prompted, click on the link for the combined paperwork to be generated. After the paperwork is printed, have the customer sign on the indicated lines and then fax or email all paperwork along with a copy of the W-2s, driver's license, social security card, and any other tax documents to TaxMax.